This countdown kicks off with the best label maker picks designed to make tagging a breeze. Grab your curiosity. These compact, high-contrast labels and speedy printers could change how you organize everything. From slick handheld devices to powerful desktop options, you'll see how each one fits real-life labeling challenges. Today, I'm going to be going over the best label maker that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the NIIMBOT B1. This is a compact, cordless label printer designed to simplify everyday organization around the home and in small offices. The B1 focuses on a mobile, app-driven workflow rather than a full desktop setup, so you can carry it to shelves, drawers, and file stacks and print labels on demand without being tethered to a computer. It uses thermal printing, which means no ink cartridges to replace and lower running costs over time. The user experience centers on a clean companion app that guides you through label creation, font choices, and layout options, including 1-line, 2-line, or 3-line formats, depending on the tape width you select. Tape widths matter here. The B1 supports several common sizes used in consumer labeling, from slim 6mm up to wider 12 or 18mm, giving you flexibility for cables, spice jars, and storage bins. Device emphasizes quick pairing via Bluetooth, so pairing with a smartphone is usually painless, and setup is friendly for non-technical users. In practice, the B1 shines when you need to label a handful of items during a reorganize or a move, or when you want to keep a few templates on hand for recurring tasks such as pantry labeling, file organization, or workshop inventory. Durability is adequate for desk use, and the overall footprint is small enough to tuck into a drawer or a tote bag. When you print, you get clear, sharp characters with durable tape that resists smudges and light moisture, which is important for kitchen jars or basement storage. Tape cartridges are widely available, and the system supports template storage in the app, so you can recall a label style for similar items without rebuilding the layout each time. B1's approach is about accessibility and speed rather than desktop-grade speed, and that trade-off works well for casual labeling tasks. Practical benefits include lower upfront cost, no need to invest in ribbons or ink, and the convenience of printing from a smartphone while you plan a labeling session. The result is a ready-to-use setup that reduces clutter and makes labels legible, consistent, and aesthetically pleasing. From a maintenance perspective, you do not have to worry about print head replacements or ink dries, which is a real relief for many users who do not want to deal with complicated printer maintenance. Features like auto-clip on the tape output help keep things tidy, and the B1's small design fits beside a computer monitor or on a kitchen shelf without drawing attention. In short, the NIIMBOT B1 is an accessible entry point into modern labeling, offering the portability of a handheld device combined with the convenience of a connected app and the efficiency of thermal printing. Paired to the Brother PTD210, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the NIIMBOT B1 prioritizes mobile workflow and portability over built-in keyboard and screen, which makes it a natural choice for quick, on-the-go labeling scenarios rather than more structured office labeling tasks. At number 4, we have the Brother PTD210. Brother PTD210 is the classic pocket-sized label printer that brings a tactile keyboard experience to the labeling process. It has a physical QWERTY input and a small LCD display, enabling you to compose labels without needing a smartphone, which can be a huge advantage in bright kitchens, classrooms, or workshop environments where a phone may be out of reach or inconvenient. This model uses the widely supported P-Touch tape system, which includes a range of laminated tapes designed to endure abrasion, moisture, and temperature changes. Because you type directly on the unit, you can quickly assemble short or long labels and switch font styles, font sizes, and alignment on the fly. The built-in keyboard supports quick edits, and the device often ships with a few starter tapes that let you test readability and edge-to-edge alignment. It is a strong choice for organized households and small offices that prefer a standalone device with no reliance on a phone app. Build quality is sturdy for its price range, with a compact, portable form factor that fits neatly in a desk drawer, backpack, or briefcase. PTD210 appeals to people who want precise control over label formatting, including hyphenation, separator characters, and the ability to stamp date and time in a label when used with compatible tapes. You compare this model to Nelko P21, which I have included as number 3 on this list. You can see a divergence in workflow. The Brother unit emphasizes the tactile, manual workflow and immediate feedback on a tiny display, while Nelko leans into Bluetooth connectivity and template-driven labeling that reduces manual entry over longer sessions. At number 3, we have the Nelko P21. Nelko P21 stands out as a multi-tool labeling solution that blends smartphone connectivity with practical templates for organizing spaces. The P21 model offers Bluetooth pairing to iOS and Android devices, allowing you to design labels in a dedicated app and push them to the device for printing. Its template library covers common organization tasks such as file folders, electronics cables, and pantry jars, which speeds up repetitive labeling. The device supports rechargeable power and a surprisingly robust battery life for a compact unit, letting you label a large batch without hunting for a USB port. A notable feature is its template customization options, so you can adjust text size, line breaks, margins, and icon overlays to achieve a clean, readable result. Print resolution and character sharpness are tuned for legibility at small sizes, which is crucial when labeling tiny items or cables with color-coded accents. In addition to templates, Nelko P21 supports manual input on the device itself for quick edits, so you do not always need the smartphone for on-the-spot adjustments. Hardware design favors a portable form factor with a comfortable grip and a small display that shows the active template, size options, and a quick preview of the label before you print. For people juggling multiple labeling tasks, the Bluetooth connectivity enables you to draft labels during a commute and then print at the desk, offering a flexible, modern alternative to the purely keyboard-based approaches. And compared to the DYMO LabelManager 160, which I have included as number 2 on this list, Nelko P21 emphasizes cloud-like template workflows and mobile editing, whereas DYMO leans on a traditional handheld approach with a dedicated keyboard and simpler, more straightforward tape options. At number 2, we have the DYMO LabelManager 160. DYMO LabelManager 160 is a compact, keyboard-driven label printer with a focus on tactile input and direct label creation. You type on a compact QWERTY keyboard, then watch the characters appear on a built-in display, which helps ensure you get the exact text layout before you print. It uses DYMO S-Done label tapes in a range of widths, including narrow 6mm and wider 12mm, so you can tailor the tape to the application, whether it is a file cabinet, power strip, or tool chest. The machine is designed for simple, repetitive labeling tasks and has fast response times, so you can generate many labels in a session without excessive waiting. Its portability makes it well suited for classroom labeling, office supply closets, or home workshops where a straightforward, reliable workflow matters more than smart features. In practice, the LabelManager 160 supports multiple font styles and sizes, plus basic text formatting options such as bold or underlined emphasis, to help differentiate categories at a glance. It does not rely on a phone app for everyday operation, which some users appreciate because you can work entirely offline. You can store a small library of label templates or frequently used text blocks internally or on quick access memory, which helps speed up repetitive tasks. You compare this model to SUPVAN E11, which I have included as number 1 on this list. The DYMO offers a more traditional, desk-friendly approach with a familiar keyboard and view window, while SUPVAN focuses on modern wireless connectivity, rechargeable power, and smartphone-based design. At number 1, we have the SUPVAN E11. SUPVAN E11 represents the newest generation of label makers in this lineup, combining wireless convenience with robust hardware in a single, flexible device. E11 is designed for quick pairing via Bluetooth to Android and iOS devices, and it charges via a USB-C port, which makes it easy to keep powered during longer labeling sessions or when you are traveling. The device supports a broad range of label tapes and widths, offering both laminated and non-laminated options for different environments, from humidity-prone kitchen drawers to outdoor sheds. Key strength is its built-in color display and intuitive touchscreen-like navigation that allows you to customize font style, size, alignment, and labeling templates without needing to type on a small keyboard. E11 also includes a set of templates for common organizational tasks, plus the ability to save and recall styles for different projects, which is especially valuable for households, classrooms, or small studios with recurring labeling needs. Battery life is typically enough for many printing sessions, and the rechargeable design reduces waste and ongoing costs. In addition, the E11 may feature an integrated auto-cut feature that cleanly slices finished labels, keeping your workspace tidy and speeding up batch labeling. Print quality is sharp, providing legible characters even on smaller tape widths, and the device balances portability with performance in a way that makes it suitable for everything from grocery labeling to electronics cable labeling. Compared to the NIIMBOT B1, which I have included as number 5 on this list, SUPVAN E11 focuses more on wireless versatility and a direct, app-centric workflow, whereas NIIMBOT emphasizes a compact, standalone phone-to-label approach with simpler hardware.